One more time, inhale up. Exhale, then down. Now after this, right leg up, straight your leg. Right leg. Good. So what you have to do, you have to hold your leg chest up, hold your leg, inhale, bend your left knee. Yes. So hold your leg, good. With exhalation, you can put your hand down and then slowly push your leg your side. So the same, if you want more stretch, you can hold your foot and then try to push your leg slightly more down. अपनी तरफ push कीजिए. 5, hold it, good. 4, 3, 2, both legs straight your left leg also now. Head up, chest up, touch your leg straight, touch your foot to the floor, head up, both legs straight, दोनों पैर सीधे रखिए, चेस्ट को अप कीजिए, टच योर फोरहेड टू द लेग. 3, 2 and 1, head down, relax your right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, going to the opposite side. Now bend your right leg, left leg up. Right leg bend कीजिए, left leg up कीजिए, chest up, hold your ankle. Inhale and chest up first. Exhale, push your leg your side and head down. Head down, bend your leg. Head down, hold it. Right leg bend. 5, bend it. Feel stretch. You have to push it your side. Relax your head, relax your head. Relax. Yes. 5, bend. 4, head to relax. 3, relax. Yes. 2, now straight your right leg. Right leg straight. Inhale, chest up, head up. Exhale again. Push more. 5, leg straight more. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now after this, bend your both legs and hold your feet from inside. Yeah. So here you have to hold your feet like this. If you cannot, you can hold your feet too also, but try to hold your feet. So what you have to do, open your legs onto the side, inhale and exhale. So here you have to touch your both toes onto the floor, slowly. Yeah, try कीजिए. More, push it, little bit, धीरे नीचे कीजिए. It's not too much difficult. Little bit you have to give stretch for your leg. Open your hamstring. Give down. Sorry, give down. 6, 5, relax head. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Come back everyone. Inhale and exhale. Hug your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. So again here, hug your knee and relax for 1 minute. Relax कीजिए, simple.